as an NBC analyst, I get asked a lot of tough questions, but one of the questions I get that you really have to think about is what is your take on the purpose of life? And for me, that really is a deep question, because I've seen so much where people are disappointed because they really can't find a purpose. I was in football pretty much my whole life, and you think that, well, is it helping other people, helping young men? But still, at the end of the day, that's not it. When I look at why we're here, why God put us here, I think it really is to honor the Lord, to help make our place that we reside a better place to live, and to point people in that direction, to get people, whether they're young or old, to see that life on this world isn't all that there is, that there is an eternity, and that living in such a way that we direct ourselves toward the Lord is important. And that's why I think I'm here, and that is what I see as my purpose in life, to lead people to want to follow the Lord.